Hi, my name is Tony Law from Your First Four Houses, and my channel is all about helping you achieve financial freedom through property. In this video, I wanted to share 7 distinct advantages that cash buyers have when it comes to investing in property. The first of these is the fact that you can go out and search specifically for unmortgageable properties, because that is a huge way to find fantastic deals, because it eliminates so many other potential buyers because they need to get finance in place. And if you check out this video here, it will give you a little bit more detail about what I mean here. Along a similar vein, you won't have any funding problems. And believe me, I've lost so many deals because of funding issues. This isn't going to be a problem for you as a cash buyer. You can potentially negotiate bigger discounts. Certainly, if you go out there looking for people who are hungry to do a deal now, you will obviously be able to negotiate a bigger discount because you've got cash ready to go. They need to sell really, really quickly, but you've got cash ready to go. You can potentially do a deal in a week, 2 weeks, something like that. It gives the agent real confidence. They're going to be more likely to put you forwards as a potential buyer for that property over there because they've seen your bank statement. They know that you're in a proceedable position. Along a similar line, it gives the seller confidence as well. They know that you have got the money, so funding's not going to be a problem, so they're going to be more likely to choose you. You can do faster transactions. The fastest I've ever bought a property is 4 days. From the first moment I saw the seller to the moment that we exchanged was 4 days, and you can do that as a cash buyer. And lastly, I would say that as a cash buyer, you can split your funds. So you can potentially do 2 deals at the same time. So I'm suggesting that you probably would get funding of some kind of mortgage in place, but you could do the first deal with part of your existing cash and go out and do the second deal with the second part. If you would like a 50-point checklist that runs you through all the steps you need to take before buying that first investment property, simply click on the link here on the description box below and I'll be delighted to send it straight out to you.